In today's video, I'll share some professional advice on how you can declutter your closet professionally. But before I start going through all of your clothes, I need to ask you a few questions. Do you buy your clothes for when you lose those extra few pounds? Do you have clothes with labels on your closet that you never wear? Do you sell clothes online and spend that extra money on unnecessary items just because it makes you feel good? Do you buy clothes just because they're on sale? Well, many of my clients do it too, but you should probably stop doing this because it will make your decluttering process last longer than it should. So the first step is to take everything from your closet and put on top of your bed so you can see it all. You need 5 bags or boxes, one for damaged items, one for tailoring clothes that need alterations, one for selling, one for donating, and one for the maybe items. You should keep this maybe box for 6 months to a year. It's important that you keep this box completely out of your sight. And in this period of time, see if you miss any of these items. If you do, open the box and take what you need. If you don't miss anything in 6 months to a year, you should get rid of it. This is important to keep this box because many of my clients get rid of the items and after a while they have to repurchase the same item again because they really needed these items in their closet. For those of you who have time to sell your clothes online, for the love of God, clean your smartphone camera when you're taking pictures. Many times I see blurry photos online, which makes it harder for you to sell any item. Another tip is to take a photo on sunlight so the color of the item is more accurate. Take photos of the front, back, and any interesting details. And it's also important to take photos with the item on. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to, but it's important for the person who is buying to see the items fit on a real body. In the item's description, describe the exact conditions, and if there is something missing, like for example a button, it's important that you take a photo and mention that in the description. I know it sounds a bit obvious, but common sense, sometimes it's not that common. When you go through each item, you should ask the following questions. Do I love it? Does this item brings me joy or is just taking up space? Have I worn it in the past year? If not, am I going to wear this in the near future? Does this fit me well? Is it comfortable? Is it still in good conditions? Is it stained, torn, or damaged? Does this reflect my current style? Does this align with who I am and how I want to present myself now? Is it versatile? Can I easily combine it with other pieces in my wardrobe? Does it have a sentimental value? If so, is it the sentimental value worth the space it's taking up? Am I keeping it out of guilt? Am I holding on to it because it was expensive or it was given to me as a gift even though I will never wear it? Separate the clothes into boxes and don't forget to put labels on it so you know which one is which. The next step is to fold your clothes. I will teach you a few folding hacks, but you can fold them as you please.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
It's important that you organize your clothes you wear the most in a way that it's easy to reach. Most of my clients' difficulties come from not knowing what they have because their wardrobe is so messy they don't even know what they have anymore. And they get really stressed and overwhelmed because they have the sea of clothing choices in front of them. The less you have, the easier it will be for you to make decisions. So when your wardrobe is organized and aesthetically pleasing, you'll have more will to get dressed because everything is organized. Another trick I do is to put my hangers backwards, and when I wear something, I put it back right away. After a year has gone by, all the clothes that are still on hangers that were backwards are donated. Speaking about hangers, I also recommend that you order hangers with the same color so it can be visually pleasing like a store. For knitwears, I recommend that you fold instead of hanging it because it loses its shape on the shoulder area. Washing tips. You can wash cotton, wool, linen, and cashmere in a cold temperature in the washing machine. The puffy winter jacket, I also wash it in the washing machine, but I put it in the hairdryer so the inside feathers can dry and be fluffy again. So if you dry it outside, the feathers will get stuck to each other. I hope this video helped you simplify your life in any way. If you have any extra suggestions, please let me know in the comments. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.